Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jeremy Cash back with another valuable video for you guys. I have some pretty dope landing pages that I'm going to introduce you guys to, as well as show you a technique that'll help you get a lot more leads and conversions on your CPAGrip. In the next coming weeks, I'll be doing a couple case studies, and then I'll also be on some different platforms so you guys can get used to other CPA platforms as well. But for now, just let me show you what I have here. So let's go to this one here. This one you probably already saw, but I bet you guys didn't know that you could do this on CPAGrip. So this is the the Jordan site, of course. Let me zoom out a little bit. Where they can choose to get a free pair of Jordans or whatever. But honestly, I'm gonna actually change this up and put prices here, discounted prices, and then I'll send them to the Jordan site. But this is another Jordan one that I came across, and I actually took this from another CPA network. And so they'll pretty much pick their sizes, and I think I showed you guys this in a video before. I'll put all their stuff in, and at the end of that, it'll redirect them to get to fill out their locker. Sorry, I'm getting confused over here, but they verify, and then it goes straight to this page right here, and then they'll fill this out, and I'm gonna redirect them to a shoe site that has discounted shoes. Of course, you guys know that. So let me go to a few of these other ones that I've done. The YouTube generator, I got this from the CPA content locker, but I actually have a landing page in front of this one, but I don't have it on here. I actually made it out. Let me see if I can actually find it. Let's see, Cashville, that's multiple streams, so I'll go to YouTube so you guys can see this one. So this is what the landing page looks like, and what I do with this one is I promote this in Facebook groups. So for instance, let me show you guys on Facebook what I'm talking about. So this is one of my Facebooks, but views, YouTube views and subscribers. This group is like really active. There's a couple of other groups out there that I'm in as well that are like really active, and they post like on a daily basis. See, like 30 comments there. I'm not sure if this is the most active group. As you can see, I posted this in there, and then got a couple three comments. But let's see here. But yeah, this group is really active, and it's another one that's like way more active than this one. But I don't want to make this video extremely long because I want to get to these points here. But let me go back. So yeah, this is the YouTube views generator, and I got that from the CPAGrip content locker website that we were on the previous video. So that's that one. They put all their information in there. Okay, and then the 3-week diet landing page, I actually got this landing page from the same content locking website. So they can, for those people who are interested in the diet program, they'll tap here. They'll watch this video. It's pretty cool.
You're about to learn the underground.
So yeah, it has a video there. They'll click begin download, then they'll have to fill out a locker. Okay, so they'll fill out one of these lockers, and they'll be able to get whatever it is on the other side. And now, as I told you guys, you can change all of these things. So this is a pretty cool landing page here. And then this landing page here, guys. So this is one of the things that I want to show you, one of the secrets. So if you notice, this kind of looks like one of the offers when you click on it, and it actually is. So this is one way that you can increase your sales. Your lead, a way to get easier leads than from the actual offer itself. So I'll show you guys a trick. So for instance, like let's say I click on this IHOP one. When you go to your offers in CPAGrip, let's say you click on this one, right? And let's say you're not really, you really don't want to promote a $100 IHOP gift card because maybe people not, they won't really go for that or whatever. So you grab this link, you click on it, it'll bring you here. The only thing you have to do is right click, of course, either go to view page source, copy this entire thing, and then paste it inside of your content locker on CPAGrip, like I showed you guys in the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, go check that out. You can either do it that way, or you can right click and go to inspect element, and then just copy the full HTML piece of it. if you want to do that. But once you do that, guys, let me show you here how I did mine. So once you do that, you can change, you know, from the IHOP thing, you can just put whatever you can make it look like your own landing page, so that way people, you know, they'll go through to see what's on the other side type of thing. See how Jeremy makes $2,000 a month, answering the questions below, see instant if you qualify below. So I changed up all of this. I put my picture on there, me and my family. I changed up the question here. So it says, do you want to make money from home? You know, yes. How old are you? 18 years or older. How many times are you on Facebook? Blah, blah, blah. And my link, it says, congratulations, you qualify for your reward. So they'll put in their email, and then I'll get a commission off of that instead of it being IHOP. But my actual link is attached to this because I copied the entire thing. So my actual ID number, which is 108421, is still attached to this actual landing page. So that's pretty cool, and that'll really increase your stuff. So it'll look more like a landing page instead of you know, IHOP or something like that. So you can get a lot more leads and conversions that way. So that's a pretty cool trick for you guys. And so I'll keep going here. Oh, the Survey Junkie, this was pretty cool. I got this page from another CPA network that's actually doing surveys. So whenever I'll be getting paid on another CPA network with this one. But this used to say something else, but I put this here, and then I changed this part right here. But other than that, this landing page was exactly like this, and I think I'll get like $2 when they put their email in there and press get started. So I kind of changed up a couple things on this one. Simple landing page, and then they'll go straight to Survey Junkie. Okay, and then let me see what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is from ClickBank. I saw this free ClickBank product. So it's like a makeup brush. If you go to ClickBank, you can get this product or whatever. I mean, yeah. And it's free, but they
Hey guys, this is Katie Franks with the...
Yeah, it's free, but they pay for shipping. So this is a landing page. So what I did was, once they click on to get their free brush, they'll click on here, do an offer or whatever. And then, you know, they'll be redirected to where they can get the free brush, things like that. But I haven't, a lot of these, as you can see, is red, so I haven't put all the links in there yet. I'm just actually making all of these, and I'll go back and do all that. What else do I have? The gift card one is one from OG Ads. So this one's pretty cool. They'll pretty much just click on, like, you know, one of these, and then I'll actually show you the original. So let me go here to OG Ads. Let me see. Gift cards for fans. So this is pretty much the original one. I just copied it because I liked it, just to see if I could do it. So all you have to do pretty much is right click, you know, copy the same thing. But they'll pretty much click on this, you know, pick out their stuff, it'll generate, and then they'll have to fill out a content locker. So that's one, another cool one. And then what other ones do I have? This one, I don't know what this is. Let me see. Oh yeah, the whole Netflix claim your $60 Netflix card. So this is a pretty cool landing page. If I can scroll down, how does it work? And then they tell them, you know, they can get that. I still got to put something right here because on the actual landing page. So yeah, this is so these are some cool landing pages to give you guys some ideas of what you guys can do with CPAGrip. It's really dope. I just got to put all the redirect URLs right here because I haven't did it, but that's, for the most part, that's, you know, some of the things that you can do. Now, like I said, you can change, you know, certain landing pages on here. Like if you like the offer and it pays, like for instance, this pays $1.95. It's a Nike. If you didn't want this to be Nike, you could actually change this to be something else. You know what I mean? And you'll still get credit for the Nike, right? So for instance, if I click on this and let's say I wanted to change, you know, I wanted to put a Adidas gift card or something like that, you know what I mean? You could do that, and then they'll go through here and you can put your pictures to make it a landing page or whatever, and you'll get paid $1.95 when they fill that out. So that's how you can actually, you know, change up landing pages and get better results as far as your leads and conversions go. Okay, now a lot of you have been wanting to know more about some more email blasters, basically. This one I stumbled upon. I haven't got a chance to really use it yet, so I'm just going to tell you guys about it as I'm going through, so you guys can go check it out too. It's called sendinblue.com. So you can probably just type in, sendinblue.com, and then it's free for the most part. You can add unlimited contacts, and you can only send 300 emails a day. But I don't really send. I wouldn't send 300 emails a day. No way. That's not what I would do anyway. So yeah, you can send 300 emails a day. So when you first sign up, they'll have you, complete a profile, import your contacts, create your newsletter. So I just was testing some things, and they still got to approve your account, I guess, in 1 business day. So I'm still waiting on them to approve these contacts, and then I already created the email thing. But one thing I like about this is if you go over here to this side right here, and you click on the upgrade button. Now, if you ever decided you wanted to, pay $39 a month, you could do 60,000 emails a month. But on the lower end, if you wanted to do 40,000 a month, you could do that for $25. So this is like really cheap compared to a lot of the other things that I saw. They can go all the way up to 350,000 up to $1 million, and I'll show you how to do $1 million. But they also have a pay-as-you-go option. So if you click on pay as you go, let's say you only have 40 bucks and you didn't, you just wanted to send one mass email out, they'll let you, like a prepaid credit. So you'll pretty much pay $40, and they'll allow you to send up to 5,000 emails out. Or if you want to send out 10,000 emails, pay $74 one time. These are not monthly, these are one time. It's like a prepaid type of thing. You can send out to your list. Like I said, they go all the way up to $1 million. If you got that kind of money, cool. If you got that kind of list, then that's even better, because then you can see some big results. But most people ain't got $1 million, emails just yet. So this is a cool website so far. It's super user friendly. Like I said, I haven't just used it yet, so I'm just telling you guys so you may be able to check it out. Also, I would just tell you guys to keep researching on different things that are free. But like I said, this one on the free plan, you can do 300 emails a day, and it never expires. And you can add unlimited contacts. So for the most part, you can add your whole entire list on here for free, but you can only send out 300 emails a day. And I don't really send that many emails out anyway, so I don't really see a need to upgrade once I get started with this. But this is just another way, if you guys, are not really trying to pay the money, the monthly income, to send out emails. So this is something you guys should check out. Like I said, I'm trying to see if I can go to my because I actually my campaigns. I'll let you guys see my campaigns. Hold on, let me go back here. So I'll give you guys a preview of how the email look that I sent out. So what's up, blah blah blah. They let me add my link there. If you click on it, then it'll go straight to another page. But that's how my email looks, and then it has the unsubscribe thing down there, and this is how it looks on the phone. So this website's pretty cool, and this is all on the free method. So I would tell you guys to take a look at that. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I have for you all today. Hopefully I gave you guys a couple of nuggets that you didn't know you could do. And hopefully you guys help increase your conversions. But if you guys need any help on anything else, let me know. Also, if you ever come across any page that you like, whether it's CPA or affiliate marketing, you can always just copy it, paste it in CPAGrip, change some things around, run traffic to it like that, so that way you can kind of do it to your own liking. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you today. And like this video, comment below, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. And other than that, I am out. Oh wait, click the link below too, because I got multiple streams of income down there, as well as my one-on-one coaching, which is on that site as well. And yeah, now that's it. Peace.